Hi everyone, welcome to Getting Started with Fidelity Life. In this training, we'll go ahead and show you how to set up your Fidelity account, how to run a quote, we'll go over the different products from Fidelity, and a brief introduction into the rapid application system. So, let's go ahead and get started. To set up your agent account with Fidelity, you should get a welcome email from Fidelity Life. It's going to look something like this. In here, it's going to say, welcome to Fidelity Life. You'll get your name, your user ID, which will be these numbers that I just highlighted. Go ahead and write those numbers down. We're going to go to need this to set up your agent account. Okay? So from here, you want to go to fidelitylife.com. I already have it up. You want to go to For Agents. Okay? This is the agent resource page. We'll come back here in a second. Let's get you all set up. You want to click on Agent Login. Okay, now it's going to bring you to the Rapid App 1 application. Okay, the Rapid App 1 platform is where you use to set up your account. So you want to go ahead and type in that user ID that you got from your welcome email. You don't have a password yet, you will get that shortly. And you want to click on New Users. Okay, now from here, again, you want to click your user ID. You want to put in your last name. And then you want to go ahead and continue. Now once you continue, you're going to put in your email address and Fidelity will send you your temporary email. Once you get that temporary email, you want to go back to the login page. And then from here, what you want to do is go ahead and log in. And once you get in correctly, your landing page should look like this. It'll have pending business, production reports, all these different links will show up. Access to the Rapid App 2 system platform. This is the demo account. And all this. So once you know you do it successfully is when you log in and it brings you to this page. So we're going to go ahead and log out. That's how to set up your account. You're in the system. Now I want to pay attention and go back to the resource page. So in this page, this is where you can find applications, forms, product guides, run a quote, all that good stuff. Everything you're going to need to use as an agent. The one thing I do want to point out though is that the Hybrid Life product is not available on this resource page only because that product is exclusive through Efinancial, so contact your wholesaler for additional hybrid information. But all the other product guides, the rapid decision, accidental, graded death, are going to be on this page. So I'm going to show you guys a couple things for you to locate on this page. So for product guides, they have two. They have what's called Product at a Glance, which is more of a one-page cheat sheet, and they have the actual product guide. So the product guide is going to be a little bit more detailed. The Product at a Glance is going to be a one-page cheat sheet that you could print out, have readily and handy available on your desk, okay, or office. So you can see, gives you a bill chart, product specs, qualification questions, and all that. So that's where you would want to find it. If you wanted to print an application, just click on Applications and Form. It's going to load the iPipeline option. From here, you would just select the service type, new business, what state you're located in, for example, California. Product type, you want either life products, okay? Let's say you were doing a paper application, and then the product name, and then you want to go ahead and hit lookup. The one thing that I want to pay attention to here is everything you're going to need is going to be already highlighted. So everything in red and highlighted in yellow is all the forms you're going to need. The only time you would need to add a supplemental form is, I don't know, if you wanted to add a child rider or if you're making a sale in a different state that you're licensed in. So everything you're going to need is going to be already highlighted. Okay? So that's where you'd find applications and forms. How to run a quote. Two places you can run a quote. You can run it in your Rapid App 1 once you log into your agent website, or you can run it right here. Right here, I'm going to click on Online Calculator. It's going to run a quote, bring up the quoting software, you plug in the basic information, and you can run a quote. Again, the different products are showing up, and the Hybrid Life is not here. You will be able to quote this in your list system or in the Rapid App 2 platform, which I'll get to later on in the training. Okay. Another couple things that I want to show you is the webinar training. So Fidelity does hold their own webinar training. If you go right here, I'll go ahead and highlight it for you. Click on it, it will give you an additional, take you to another page where it has additional training opportunities. So I always recommend take advantage of it if you can, if you have some downtime to learn about the different products from Fidelity. So you can see they're doing the Universal Life product interview, the Rapid App 2 system demo interview, webinar, and yeah, this is where you would be able to find everything. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go back here If you need contact information of Fidelity Life, like if you want to contact new business or their underwriters, conveniently located right here has all the contact information to all the different departments with Fidelity Life. So very, very powerful resource for you as an agent. So I would go ahead and bookmark this page. Okay? So right now we've covered how to set up your account, a little bit about the agent resource page, how to print applications, where to find product guides, additional training opportunities, and how to run a quote. Now I want to go over kind of just the different products, just a kind of a brief product overview, kind of an introduction to Fidelity's product. So this PDF that I'm loading first kind of just gives you an idea, has the different topics and different products, the hybrid life, the rapid decision, the graded death benefit, the accidental death benefit. Kind of shows you the premium amounts and the rate classes that it incorporates. So hybrid life, again, goes up to $1 million, as low as $25,000. Rapid decision, up to $300,000 as low as 10. GDB, which is the graded death benefit, goes from age amounts 25 and 250 as low as 10,000. Okay, and then the accidental death benefit goes up to 500,000. So again, just a real brief kind of a snapshot on all of the products. The other document I want to cover is this one. So just a brief introduction to the products of Fidelity Life. Okay, the first product, Hybrid Life, what it is, it combines the fully underwritten rates with the non-medical simplified issue process. You can get high face amounts up to $1 million, and then how the hybrid product works is it combines, it'll approve your customer up front with the blend of coverage, so they'll get an initial blend of coverage, part of it's all-cause, part of it's accidental. The client has 6 months to take the medical exam to convert that blend of coverage to an all-cause amount. Some of the benefits of hybrid: you get fast underwriting times, you're covered during the underwriting process, high face amounts, limited agent involvement after the initial approval, and it definitely increases your bottom line. Some of the product niche is diabetics, great for diabetics, people with an MVR history, like multiple speeding tickets, DUI over 12 months. Hybrid's going to be the best option. Foreign travel, people traveling out of the country who need something right away, it's going to be a great product. And also people on multiple medications for high blood pressure, cholesterol, and or depression, anxiety. The next product, Rapid Decision Term. No medical exam needed, simplified issue, face amounts up to 300,000, issues up to age 75. They have 4 rate classes: Select, Standard, Table 2, and Table 4. And this product is great for people who are busy, who don't necessarily want to take an exam, don't have time to take an exam. Also great for people who are traveling abroad. It's good for business coverage, collateral assignments, because you can obtain it quickly, approved within 2 to 3 days, and also court-ordered policies. Time-sensitive policies, meaning the judge, orders the ex-wife or ex-husband to have coverage on the kid. This is a great policy to have. And also older clients that want smaller face amounts and people under the age of 45. Again, it's a good alternative for people who don't want to take the medical exam or don't have time to take the exam. Okay. The other product's the graded death benefit. This product has 2 options. There is a term option and a whole life. Face amounts range from 5,000 up to 250. Issue age 70, 75 on the whole life. And then why it's called graded is because there is a 2-year waiting period on it. And here's how it breaks down. Death by accident in the first 2 years, it will pay out 100%. Death by natural cause, like a heart attack, for example, within the first 2 years, will just return the premiums paid plus interest. Okay, 10% in year 1 and 20% if the insured dies in year 2. Okay, who's great for this product? Clients recently declined for coverage, clients with the higher risk, let's say heart history, cancer, depression history, multiple medications for depression, alcohol, drug abuse, etc. So this is really going to be a good fit for people who either have been recently declined or have severe health impairments, on disability for a mental condition, recent heart attack over 2 years ago. People that really need the coverage but can't qualify for any other route. Okay, and the last product's the accidental death benefit. Face amounts up to 500,000. They have some awesome riders available. Just added a return of premium rider. Depending on issue age and how long they keep the policy for, they can get 100% of their premiums back. And there's also a great family rider, which provides coverage for the family. Covers the spouse and kids for accidental death only. meaning if you get this rider, it'll cover the spouse at 50% and each kid at 10% up to age 21. It's an inexpensive, great for supplementing existing term coverage or as a standalone policy. It's good for people that won't qualify for a traditional life insurance policy. For example, people that are currently on probation or parole. And also clients under the age of 40. If they drive, it's a great product to have. Statistically, they are likely to die of an accident the younger they are, so it's just a great value-added product to supplement any existing policy. So those are really the four main products that Fidelity Life offers within their product line. They do have a couple others, the Rapid Decision UL and the Rapid Decision Mortgage Term. If you want additional information on those products, you can find it on the e-agent resource page right here. Okay? Now I want to do just a quick introduction into Fidelity Life, the Rapid App 2 application. Once you complete the Hybrid Life certification, you will get access to this website. This is the Rapid App 2 platform where you will complete the electronic applications and another place where you can check on any pending business. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Okay, so once you get in to the Rapid App 2 platform, here you can notice that the new colors, it's nice, it's better colors, and it's easier to navigate than the Rapid App 1. Again, you can run a quote here if you want to. You can select the different products, or if you want to complete an application electronically, you click on Rapid App and it'll give you the option to start an application. So I encourage you, before you start embarking on the electronic app process, to try out the demo account. The demo account you will be able to find right here on the agent resource page. If you scroll down here, go through a demo account, complete the application, familiarize yourself with the questions, and the nice thing is you can actually submit your email address and send yourself the e-signature link and actually go through the signature process that your customer will go through. So you can see what your customer is going to see and help them walk them through the step of the process. So that pretty much concludes the Getting Started with Fidelity Life training. If you have any additional questions, please contact your wholesaler. They're a resource to you. And I thank you guys for your time today, and have a wonderful day.